this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google AI Mode on your PC or laptop. So you want to open up your browser and go to google.com. Right, then once you're on google.com, you should see in the search bar towards the right, AI Mode. It's Google's AI tool, something like ChatGPT, and you can click on that and it's going to take you right over to AI Mode. So this is the official page of it, and you can install the AI Mode on your PC or laptop. To do that, if you're using any browser, you want to go ahead and find the option that says cast, save, and share. So for example, in Google Chrome, I click the three that's on the upper right hand side, and here you will find towards the lower part it says cast, save, and share. If I hover over that, you will see install as an app. I click on that. Here you can go ahead and you can even rename it to say AI Mode as you wish. It's pulling with the Google search as it's a Google application, but you can change this to AI Mode. Now all you have to do is click on install right here, and it's going to quickly install on your PC. So as you can see right here, it's installed on my computer. It's even showing up on my desktop as well. So whenever I'm ready, I can double click on it, open it, and I open up the AI Mode app on my PC. And if you also would like to save this on your taskbar for quick access, you can go ahead and pin it to taskbar as well. Even if you close out of that, you can click the Windows key here on your PC, and if you type in AI Mode, you will see that it's showing up on your computer as an app as well, and you can open that. And it's so easy it is, guys. So that's it, how you can install the Google AI Mode on your PC or laptop. That's it, very easy and very simple.